पूरा get down हो जाओ. Enjoy.
Kullu offers an exciting 9-kilometer river rafting experience that lasts about 40 minutes, making it a thrilling yet manageable adventure. Before boarding the raft, make sure to secure your mobile and other belongings to avoid losing them in the water.
Now video's on, okay?
The price for the rafting experience typically ranges from 4,000 to 6,000 Indian rupees, depending on the season and your ability to negotiate. To keep yourself dry during the ride, waterproof coats are available for 200 Indian rupees per person.
Okay, get back.
For those looking to capture the moment, GoPro cameras are available for hire, costing around 1,200 Indian rupees for a 40-minute ride. Don't forget to bring some extra clothes, as the endpoint provides changing facilities.
See camera. Say last time, say bye.
Enjoy the ride and embrace the thrill of the river.